Hey everyone, Dream here. Today I'm diving into the vibrant world of Minecraft. But I'm not just talking about the classic game we all know and love, I'm focusing on one of its exciting offshoots that's begging for a comeback. Yes, I'm talking about Minecraft Earth. Minecraft has been around for a whopping 15 years. Over that time, it's not just been about building and surviving, it's been about expanding into books, movies, and yes, even augmented reality games. One such experiment, Minecraft Earth, aimed to transform the way we interact with the world around us through the lens of our beloved blocks. Released in early access, Minecraft Earth came out swinging with 1.4 million downloads in its first week. It mixed the magic of Minecraft with the real world, much like Pokémon Go did with its critters. People could gather resources, engage in battles, and build monumental structures right in their local parks. However, despite a strong start and some solid updates, it hit a wall, thanks to the pandemic among other issues. But why am I saying it deserves a second chance? Well, think about it. The groundwork is already laid out. There's a treasure trove of assets, code, and a still thriving community hungry for more Minecraft content. With the advances in AR technology and increased mobile capabilities, imagine just how much more immersive Minecraft Earth could be. Minecraft Earth was more than just a game. It was a way to connect, share, and literally build communities. With the world opening back up, what better time to bring back a game that encourages exploration and creativity in the real world? Besides, who doesn't want to see their creations come to life on their street or in their local park? And, let's not forget, Minecraft is bigger now than it was in 2019. A reboot of Minecraft Earth isn't just feasible, it's potentially groundbreaking. It could offer us new adventures, challenges, and a fresh way to experience the blocks we've been stacking for over a decade. So, what do you think? Should Mojang give Minecraft Earth another shot? Could this be the next big thing in AR gaming? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Minecraft adventures. Until next time, keep building, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep crafting your dreams. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.